This one will be 6 all the way, drifting onto the pads. And that's a big one, top tier as well. Oh, that won't help his mood either. That's another half a dozen. Over mid-wicket. Fakhar starting to find some rhythm and some middle of the bat.
That's gone up in the air. Chance not to be. Just flies over that fielder at square leg. It was half-timed. I promise you, it didn't come off the middle of the blade, yet it went all the way. Well, he's got the option right, Fakhar Zaman. This time, it's a straight 6 over long on. What great batting. Great use of the feet. Big shot, that's gone, and almost hits our screen here in the comm box. Take off. Goes big again, it's flat and 6 again. You beauty. Tremendous striking from the left-hander. What angle are we talking about?
Oh, he's got him. He's got him, big. That's top-tier stuff again. He is clubbing it. I mean, just absolutely clubbing it. Fakhar Zaman, here's Tim Southee back. Just far enough. Satin is a tall man, and just for a second he thought he was in business, and so did Southee, but not today, it seems. Oh, that's gone miles. Absolutely gone miles. And Fakhar Zaman with that gets the 99. Yes. That's 6. Easily 6. You could hear it off the bat. And we've heard it so often. 12-6 for Pakistan. That's gone further. That is remarkable contact. Absolutely.
This one will be 6 all the way, drifting onto the